Hey guys, welcome to another video for simonsvideo.com, and my name is Simon Tay, and today I'm going to show you another DIY gadgets, more or less a modification to do an auto topping up of this tank, the water tank for the misting. As you know, Singapore is very hot recently, and I bought this fan thinking that it will cool me down when it is very hot. But I realized the water tank is not sufficient. Within like 30 minutes to 1 hour, it will deplete very quickly, especially you go to the full strength here. Single strength is one misting option and 3 outlet for the second strength, and the third strength is 5 misting outlets, and you will actually deplete the water very quickly. So if you bring out, this does not have a battery inside, so you need to bring a portable battery to activate this fan. The fan also got 3 strength, and it's not very strong. So, but the misting option is, it's very good. You know, it should cool you down, but the water level will drop very quickly. So in order to top up automatically, I searched online and found out that the aquarium auto topping up, there's an option there. So I actually printed this cover to match the cover that it provides, which is very sucky. Does not cover properly. So I actually printed it. Drill 2 holes to the cap over here, and then I put the air hose. This is a elastic air hose, and go through this. And inside I use a oily glue at the inside to secure the side of the hose at the inside. Dry it a couple of minutes, and then I screw it up to this cover. I'll put the STL file if you're interested in the description below, and you can actually print out. And where you're going to get this I bought from Lazada. So the idea of this auto topping up is whenever the water level go below this highest level, air will go in, and then the water will drop into the water tank. So once the water level is above this, it actually have a water pressure to prevent the water from this bottle from draining more. So once the pressure is covered up here, for example, the water level reach here, and you will stop dropping the water. So as you can see here, it will not drain everything once the water level is above a certain level, and it will just stop and remain there. So once the mist goes down, it will, last a bit longer. Well, basically that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching Simon's video. Have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye.